Another thing you might want to do at this point is try to predict which students are likely to pass their first project and which students aren't. You could take a first pass at this using some heuristics based on your exploration. For example, you could predict that students who spend more time in the classroom during their first week are more likely to eventually pass the first project. However, getting a really good prediction this way could be difficult. For one thing, there are lots of different pieces of information that we probably should be looking at. You'd probably at least want to look at the things I looked at earlier, lessons completed, minutes spent, and days visited, but there could be a lot more pieces of information, or features, that you'd like to look at as well. This wouldn't be so bad, except that all of your different features can have complex interactions with each other. For example, when you look at minutes spent in the classroom on its own, it might look like a really important feature. But then when you look at lessons completed and minutes spent together, you might see that after you already know how many lessons a student completed, knowing how many minutes they spent doesn't give you any additional information. In many situations like this one, you can use machine learning to make pretty good predictions automatically, usually a lot better than the predictions you could make by hand. Depending on the machine learning algorithm you use, it might also give you a ranked list of which features were most important to the prediction, which can be very interesting. If you'd like to learn more about this, you might want to take our Introduction to Machine Learning course, linked in the instructor notes.